how to fix inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads. So the first step is to simply go to Tools, then go to Data Manager. Now the next step is to simply go to Google Tag. So simply click on Manage, and after that you're gonna see something similar to this. So if you don't see this, that means that you need to create your tag. So you can simply follow the on-screen instructions to create your Google tag. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this installation instructions button. And as you can see, you have two different options. So you have the option to basically use Google integration, and you can simply select your platform. As you can see, you have BigCommerce, you have Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, and other website builders that you can basically choose from, or you can simply go with install manually. So what you're gonna have to do is simply copy this code and just paste it on the page that you want to basically track. You're gonna have to paste in that page code section, and basically that's all you have to do in order to fix inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.